Lawrence was not only a great scientist, he was a miraculous entrepreneur. He was one of the first scientists who learned to organize large teams. These teams didn't just include physicists. They included engineers and technicians and people devoted to a project. And that was the scale of things that were necessary to build these big machines that he was contemplating. They required all kinds of talents, and he would assemble these talents, but it was really beginning to be too much for what could be supported by an ordinary academic institution, and particularly in a physics department. So he moved out of physics and formed what was then called the radiation laboratory. The radiation laboratory would be devoted to these large team efforts. That was really the beginning of what has become today big science. It was really Lawrence's innovation, and it brought a level of organization to science that really hadn't been seen before. The previous mode was one professor working with some assistants in a small laboratory. This was more of the industrial side for science, and maintaining that through that period was one of Lawrence's other great contributions, in addition to his technical innovations and his vision of accelerator physics and how that would have implications for high energy physics and nuclear physics. That became a model. Well, a model for that was, of course, the Manhattan Project.